Dear students, today's topic is connecting cells. We have seen more than one electric cells connected in an electrical circuit. In the transistor, radio, 2 to 3 dry cells are seen to be connected in series. The purpose of doing this is to obtain more potential difference than that of a single cell. Therefore, it is possible to obtain a high current. If the cells are connected, the connection of cells is known as a battery of cells. In this series connection, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the second cell, and the positive terminal of the second cell is connected to the negative terminal of the third one. Therefore, if each cell has a potential difference of 1 volt, the total potential difference of 3 cells will be 3 volt. Dear students, we must have seen the car battery available in the market. It is called a battery and not a cell. Why? Because a car battery is a combination of small cells. Batteries in series and parallel connections. There are two types of circuits, series and parallel. Batteries can either be connected in series, parallel, or a combination of both in a series circuit. Electrons travel in one path, and in the parallel circuit, they travel through many branches. In this section, we will discuss in detail series battery configuration and the parallel battery configuration. EMF of a battery. The voltage developed when no current flows through the battery is known as the EMF of the battery. It is also referred to as the no load voltage of the battery. Series batteries. A set of batteries are said to be connected in series when the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the succeeding cell. The overall EMF of the battery is the algebraic sum of all individual cells connected in series. If E is the overall EMF of the battery combined by n number of cells, then E is equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 and infinite times. Similarly, if R1, R2, R3 are internal resistance of individual cells, then the internal resistance of the battery will be equal to the sum of the internal resistance of the individual cells. Hence, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 infinite number of times. Parallel cells. A set of batteries are said to be connected in parallel when the positive terminals are connected together in a battery, and similarly, negative terminals of these cells are connected together. These combinations are referred as parallel batteries. If EMF of these cells is identical, then the EMF of the battery is combined by n numbers of cells connected in a parallel is equal to the EMF of each cell. The resultant internal resistance of the combination is in bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 infinite times bracket complete raised to minus 1. The current delivered by the battery is the sum of currents delivered by individual cells.